hope you're well and having the most incredible day. As always, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we are going to be unboxing the December Fresh and Flowers box. I cannot believe we are already on our December box. Again, like I say every single month, I have avoided social media pretty much for the past 2 days because I don't want to spoil anything. I got this in the post today, or Thursday as you guys are watching this on Sunday. I'm so excited to open it. I do still have a little bit of my face mask from last month. I don't know how that's happened. I feel like this month, because I have joined the gym recently, I've been having more showers as opposed to baths, so I haven't really thought about putting a face mask on. So I really need to use that up because I have another one in this box, I'm sure. But without further ado, let's dive right in. I hope you guys enjoy and carry on watching. Trying to unbox this on camera without flashing my address is very difficult, but let's unbox it together. I'm so excited. Let's go. How cute is that? Stop. That is adorable. Okay, so firstly, we've got a happy holidays little card. That's so cute. Dear lovely Fresh and Flowers customers, wishing you a wonderful holidays. Lots of love from the Fresh and Flowers team. So cute. I love that. This is them. You probably can't see because it's not in focus, but that is all them. And on the back, they've got all their favourites. That's so cute. Cup of coffee face mask. Anna, 10 out of 10. Agree with you with that one. Ooh, Christian, cup of coffee face mask and mask of minty. Classic. Love it. Aquamarina. No, not a favourite. So cute. Love that. So this is the Christmas box of joy, and the first thing in the box is this beautiful green knot wrap. It looks like this. I absolutely love it. I am not a massive knot wrap person, so I wouldn't necessarily use this as a gift idea. Maybe in my hair would be really cute, but yeah, love it. A nice little touch for sure, considering we haven't actually had a knot wrap or anything like that in this box before, so I am quite excited for that, I'm not gonna lie. The next thing in the box are the flowers. Now in this box we have got 3 tulips and some of this kind of foliage situation. Not too sure what that is. I don't know whether it actually says on here. Oh, Kochia, I think that's what this is. Beautiful nonetheless, love it. I love the Fresh and Flowers in the Fresh and Flowers boxes, so 10 out of 10, love that. So now moving on to the actual items in the box. The first item is the Merry Berry Fresh Face Mask, and it says our show-stopping cranberry, clementine and ground almond winter mask. Now, ingredients wise, this one has kaolin, fresh cranberries, clementine juice, almond oil, ground almonds, fresh orange peel, orange oil, Cuba oil, and Divan oil. Let's give it a go. I hope that it's a really cute colour and not just plain. Let's see. The suspense, honestly. Beautiful. Absolutely love the colour. Let's give it a smell and see what it smells like. Why have I smelled that before? Okay, it smells... Okay. It smells kind of like Refresher Sweets. If you're from the UK, they're like a sherbety lemon vibe. But that smells absolutely delish. I'm so excited to use that. I still have my mask from last month. I haven't finished it yet, which is awful. So I'm going to have to finish that tonight and then get started on this one. But that smells absolutely delicious. The next item in the box is this. This is the Hollywood Cleanser Roll, and ingredients wise, this one has ground almonds, almond butter, caster sugar, soya milk, dried apricots, fresh cranberries, star anise, cinnamon stick infusion, and lavender oil, tangerine oil, sandalwood oil, olibanum resinoid, and I think that is it. Oh, carrageenan extract as well. Let's give it a smell. I hope that it smells exactly like Christmas pudding, because that is what I want this to smell like. So let's see. It is a little bit moist, a little bit concerned, but anyway. Yeah, that smells exactly like Christmas pudding. I don't like Christmas pudding. I don't like the taste of it because I don't like raisins. However, the smell just smells really festive to me, and I absolutely love the smell of this. So yeah, 10 out of 10, love that. Plus it looks absolutely adorable. The only thing is, it is a little bit moist. Don't know why. kind of gross, but anyway. The next item in the box is this. Mine is sadly a little bit broken, as you guys can see on the side, but nonetheless very, very cute. These are the Prue's Starry Eye Pads, and these have marigold petals extracted in glycerin, German chamomile and saffron infusion. I really don't like saffron. I've come to realise this over time. I don't like the smell of saffron, but anyway, we move on. Fresh aloe gel, carrageenan extract and fresh carrot juice. Now, I have a feeling this is going to smell really saffrony and I'm not going to like it. Yeah, see, I really don't like the smell of saffron. For me, it's just not a nice scent. I don't know what it is. It just doesn't sit with me very well. So I don't like the smell of these. I will definitely use them for sure. And obviously mine is sadly a little bit broken, but we are going to use it anyway. I am excited to give them a go. I think they look really fun, but unfortunately I don't like the smell, but that is just a personal preference. If you like the smell of saffron, you will love those. The next item in the box is the Magic of Noelle Shouder. And if you don't know what Shouder is, essentially it's a powder to use in the shower. It fizzes up kind of like a bath bomb, and I really, really like these, although I absolutely despise the packaging. I wish it was in a pot, so much easier to use. Ingredients wise, this one has granulated sugar, oat flour, cornstarch, orange oil, wine-less oil, lime oil. So let's give it a go. I actually have no idea what this would smell like. I imagine a fruity, citrusy vibe, but let's give it a go and see. Smells like Golden Wonder. That smells incredible. I love the smell of Golden Wonder. If you guys don't know, Golden Wonder is one of my all-time favourite smells, and I absolutely love that. So 10 out of 10 Lush, honestly. Oh, delish. I cannot wait to use it. I'm gonna have a bath after this video, so I'm gonna have to use it in the bath because I can't wait. I'm too impatient. It just smells amazing. And the last item in the box is this. This is the Showstopper Hand and Body Soap Roll. Ingredients wise, this one has almond milk, almond oil, cocoa butter, coconut oil. Oh, the writing is so small, I need to put my glasses on. Castor oil, ground almonds, cream of tartar, silken tofu. I don't even know anymore. I'm just going to smell it because, let's be honest, I'm just too impatient. Let's give it a go. Oh, okay. This is the same smell as Snow Cake Soap, which smells like marzipan. It's really, really good, really, really sweet. It's not my absolute favourite smell by any means, but it is a really beautiful fragrance. So good. The only thing with the packaging is it does leave like a furry residue on the soap, which is kind of gross, but I love the idea. I don't know what material this is made from, but it does look really cute nonetheless, so love that. So that is everything in the box, apart from we have got a Christmas party hat, which is very cute, and I'm not going to put it on because I've got a clip in. Actually, do you know what, I'm going to put it on because I feel like it's Christmas, do you know what I mean? Let's be festive. I think I'm going to break it because my head is far too large. This is just a great vibe, do you know what I mean? So that is everything for the December Fresh and Flowers box unboxing. I really hope you guys did enjoy this video. Whether you got the box or you didn't get it, let me know down below which your favourite item was. I would have to say mine is either the Christmas pudding cleanser or the face mask. So yeah, let me know down below what you loved. Obviously, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please make sure you do. We are on our way to 9.6 thousand and I would love to hit that this year. So if you haven't subscribed, please do. It would make my day and I would really appreciate it. So yes, without further ado, I'm gonna go because I've got dinner to have and a bath to get in. So yeah, I hope you guys have a fantastic day and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.